Understanding Monomials, a simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, monomials. This might sound like a complex term, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your conversations and writings. A monomial is a term that comes from mathematics, specifically from algebra. In its simplest form, a monomial is a single-term expression that is made up of a constant, a variable, or a product of constants and variables. Here are some examples to help clarify. 3x minus 7y squared, 15. All of these examples are monomials because they consist of a single term. Now that we know what a monomial is, let's break it down further. A monomial can be composed of 1. Constant, a fixed value, e.g., 5 minus 3, 10. 2. Variable, a letter that represents a number, e.g., x, y, z. 3. Coefficient, the number part of a term that includes a variable, e.g., in 3x, 3 is the coefficient. 4. Exponent, the power to which a variable is raised, e.g., in x squared, 2 is the exponent. When you see a monomial, try to identify these parts to better understand its structure. While monomials are a mathematical concept, you can use the term in regular English sentences, especially when discussing mathematics, algebra, or related topics. Here's an example. While solving the algebraic equation, I realized that simplifying the monomial terms first made the entire process easier. In this sentence, the word monomial is used to refer to the single-term algebraic expressions that needed to be simplified. And there we have it, a comprehensive but simple guide to understanding monomials. We hope this video has clarified what monomials are and how you can talk about them in English. Remember, understanding mathematical terms can also enhance your English language skills, especially when discussing academic topics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.